Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to backtest my strategy using this Forex Tester 5, and my special guest today is Divergence, who decided to sleep during this backtesting session, so stay with us. As you probably know, Forex Tester is a backtesting software that lets you to simulate your strategies into past price action, and it has a good database. You can backtest basically starting with 2003 with very good data analysis and so it has a better database than TradingView, for example, and this is why I decided to give a chance to this Forex Tester 5. This is not the first time I am using it. Alex actually was using Forex Tester 5 for a while, but if there are going to be any blunders, please excuse me. So let's dive into this app, and I just installed the Forex Tester 5 on my computer. First of all, when you open Forex Tester 5, what you have to do is to start a new project in order for you to backtest as you wish. So I will start a new project. We will name it USD JPY, because we are going to backtest USD JPY, and for example, let's simulate 100K US dollars account. When you create a new project, you have to select the pairs or the symbols you want to trade. For me, it will be only the USD JPY, and here you have to choose from what date you want to backtest. As you can see here, Forex Tester 5 offers you a very good data regarding the 1 minute time frame. So if there are any order block traders or other traders who maybe scalp or so and need the 1 minute data, you can consider this Forex Tester 5, because you will have a various data range from where you can backtest your strategy. We are going to backtest now the beginning of the March month, because I actually missed in trading the March month. We were in vacation, and as I promised you, there is going to be a vlog regarding our vacation in Portugal, so stay tuned, but this is not about that today. So let's go back to our data range, and let's go 2023, starting with the 1st of March. And of course until today. After choosing the dates, you have to download the history data, because of course they are not in the database in the app when you install it. So we are going to do that. And as you can see, we can add as well some more other symbols here, but this is not the case today. So let's update the data history. It's completed, and now we can basically start to backtest. What I really like about this Forex Tester is the fact that you can have a database of your trades and of your performance of the strategy that you are actually using, because it is going to count your total number of trades, profit, losses, and more other very interesting aspects regarding your backtesting sessions. So you have to no longer calculate by yourself the profit from a month, the number of lost trades, and so, because Forex Tester is going to do that for you. Now let's just open a chart. We will find here a new chart, USD JPY. This is it, and in order for me to choose the time frame I want, I just have to click on home, the 15 minutes time frame, and now I just have to jump to the period I want to backtest, because as you can see, we are now on the 11th of April 2008, so we are going to jump to 1st of March. And here we are. When you are backtesting, you can add as well your indicators or so if you need, and as you probably know, I need indicators for my strategy, so I'm going to add them now. Okay, so these are my indicators, the 13, 21 and 55 EMA, as well as the RSI. And in order for us to start this backtesting session, it's very important to know that the difference between this Forex Tester and other backtesting programs is the fact that you actually can see how the price develops in time. Here on the speed of testing, you can just set a speed of your preference, and I will set now a lower speed in order for you to see that if you start the testing, you will see the price actually developing as it does in the real market conditions. And this is a very important aspect for the trades you are actually opening in the real market conditions. However, now I will not use this type of testing, but will just use the bar forward, because what interests me in this strategy is the price closing of the candle. I actually execute my trades, let's say 30 seconds or 1 minute prior the candle closing. So in order for me to be more accurate, I want to see the candle closing when we are going to open a trade. More than that, as you probably know, I am trading only the European session and a part of the US session. So in this case, we are going to just skip this period when we are in the Asian session. Also, I will just adjust the speed of testing a bit higher in order for us to skip this period a bit faster. Okay, as you can see, this platform is so similar to the one used by MetaTrader, so it will not be so difficult for you to maybe understand this app. Okay, starting with somewhere around 7 a.m., 8 a.m. in the morning Eastern European time, I start to actually trade. So let's see what do we have here. But unfortunately for the moment there are no signals for us to open any trade, because the EMAs are flat, and you know my opinion about that. Okay, we can see that the price is trying to develop to the downside, and maybe we are going to have a trade somewhere around here in order for you to see how this app actually works. For the moment, nothing to do. We are just going to skip until we are going to have a valid setup. If you want to see more about this strategy, you can find a playlist dedicated to it. I am going to add it as well in the description in order for you to understand the basics of this strategy. Okay. This is the beginning of the US session, and as you can see, for the moment nothing to do for me here, but overall I lost nothing in this day, because as you can see, the price is just ranging between this high here and this low here. So no particular trend for me to open any trade. And now it's night time, so the first day was without any trades. We are going to maybe have a trade in the next day, because I want to show you how to open actually a trade with this Forex Tester, because the trades and let's say the market pendings, if you use so, can be set it exactly in the app, exactly as you can do in the MetaTrader. So again, a realistic, let's say, backtesting session. Okay. So now the EMAs are in the correct position for us, and fortunately on the closing of this candle we are going to open a trade, because as you can see, after this huge fall of the price, we've got a rejection below the 55 EMA, but still a good one. More than that, we've got a nice bullish candle here, and the RSI created a divergence with the previous low created somewhere around this level. Okay, in order to open actually a trade in this Forex Tester, you have to click on orders, and here you have two options, market order or pending order, but in this case we are going to have a market order. And let's see, we are not going to calculate the risk manually. We are going to just input all the details here. So 1% risk per trade as per my usual risk percentage. And regarding the stop loss will be set at somewhere around this level below this low formed here, let's say 136,185. And now, as you can see, we have a buy position opened, and let's see what is going to happen with our position. Also, what I forgot to mention is the fact that you can actually see how the profit develops during the position, during your opened position. So you just have to click on opened positions, and as you can see, our position is here. On the closing of this candle, we are on minus $83 US, and let's see what is going to happen next. Okay, the price started to nicely develop, and now we are on almost plus 0.6% profit, but for the moment our stop loss is going to be still on the previous level. Okay, I am really afraid what is going to happen on this high here, but still we are going to follow our position because we have no clue in order to just move our stop loss. Okay, and as you can see, the price is nicely going to the upside, and all the EMAs are already above our entry level. So now we are actually going to move our stop loss on the break-even level. If you are asking why I didn't actually did that on the closing of this candle, is the fact that I want to see a price development, not only a candle that is nearby the level of the 55 EMA. So now our stop loss is going to be actually below the 21 EMA, because as you probably know, I am always moving my stop loss in order to, if is going to be any sudden move, to not lose my entire profit in this position. Okay, let's see what is going to happen next. And unfortunately, the next candle got us out, because as you can see, the price started to just created an ascending channel somewhere around this zone. Nothing clear in the matter of a trend, but still our position closed on plus 0.5% profit. And now let's see what is going to happen next. Okay, nothing to do for the moment. As you can see, the EMA started to be flat, and this basically means that there is no actual trend in the market, so I don't want to be involved into any positions here. Okay, and as you can see, the price is still trying to go to the upside, but with no any actual power in order to break this liquidity zone formed around here. So let's go next and see what is going to happen. But unfortunately, the day is over, our trading day is over, and we are going to see also the next day, because maybe we are going to catch a nice trend. So here we are on the 3rd of March, 7 AM. I don't think if you see exactly the hour, because my image is exactly on the time. But yeah, let's go next and see. Maybe we are going to have any trade here, and hopefully on the closing of this nice red candle here, we are going to open a sell position, because as you can see, the EMAs are nicely fanned out to the downside. They are not just crossing as they did previously. It's a nice bearish engulfing candle. So let's click on orders, market order. We are going to still set a 1% risk per trade. We are going to sell, and our stop loss is going to be 136.40, 136.480. A sell position, and here we are in our position, and let's see how the price is going to develop. As you can see, the EMAs are still somewhere around my stop loss level, so we are not going to move our stop loss nowhere. Okay, nothing to do for the moment, but our position is still developing. Okay, the price is nicely going to the downside, and now as you can see, I am going to move my stop loss, because there is a huge difference between the 21 and 55 EMA, and it's enough for me now to to manage my position using the smaller EMAs, because the trend is different than the one that we saw previously in the previous position. So let's move our stop loss somewhere above the 21 EMA and let's see how the price is going to develop. I am actually now okay, the position was closed, another plus 0.6% for this position. And what I wanted to tell you is the fact that I am now working on a different approach regarding my targets. Because sometimes from this kind of trailings you may lose a part of your profit that you may have banked due to the fact that price, let's say it's in a monthly high, in a monthly low, in an important order block zone or so. So it's very important for you to bank your profit as soon as you can see that there is no more trend in your position. But still, our backtesting session today was based on this kind of trailing, and as you can see, another let's say winning trade. It's not a huge profit, but still it's a winning position. As I previously told you, what I really like about this Forex Tester is the fact that, as you can see, all the trades are counted. Today we had only 2 trades. But you can see here your maximum profit, maximum profitable trade, your maximum losing trade, if any, your net profit, gross profit, and also other averages important as the profit factor, as return percentage, and so overall, as you can see, for the moment on the account we are plus 1.17%. You will see here as well your maximum drawdown, which is a very important aspect if you are a prop firm trader. If you want to try a Forex Tester, you can use our coupon code Crilex in order to start your journey with Forex Tester. It's a very important app for all of those who want to develop their strategies and to be prepared for the real market conditions. So I really recommend you to try to give it a try. They also have some demo free trials, so you can just start with that, and after that you may decide if this Forex Tester is for you or no. In order to not make this video too long, we are just going to end this video here. But if you have any questions about Forex Tester, or if you want to see a full backtesting session using Forex Tester and my strategy, please let me know in the comments section. This is it for today. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel if you are not yet our subscriber, because it really helps us to create new videos. Stay tuned, because there are going to be many more surprises regarding our channel and our performance as traders. Thank you all for watching. See you in our next videos, and of course, until then, trade safe and trust the process.